New reports out in just the past half hour say Amazon is asking employees to delete TikTok from any mobile device that would use Amazon email. In relation to Amazon, TikTok now releasing a statement saying user security is of the utmost importance to TikTok. We are fully committed to respecting the privacy of users. It's not just Amazon, though. The company's come under a lot of scrutiny here in the U.S. The Trump administration saying this week it's worried the app makes private data available to the Chinese government and is considering a ban. Loop Ventures founder and managing partner Gene Munster is here now to discuss. Gene, first of all, how big of for TikTok? I mean, I would imagine losing the U.S. would be a huge blow to their financials.
It is, Kelly. Maybe just taking a step back, why we care about this. This is the largest private tech company. $100 billion was their last round. There's 65 million users in the U.S. About half of those are under the age of 18. But when you think about their total user base, it's about 1/3 the size of Facebook. Facebook's current market cap is just under 700 billion. So this gap between where Facebook's market cap is relative to the users and TikTok is still significant. So when we generally frame in what's at stake here, we're talking about an additional $100 or $200 billion could be created for TikTok to go after the U.S. opportunity. And one further piece to mention is the TikTok platform is ideal for monetization. These are 15-second videos, endless number of ad spots. And so there's a lot at stake for TikTok to get the U.S. right.
Oh, absolutely. I mean, this comes after the news just in the past 24 hours that Ninja, the video game superstar, said he's taking TikTok off his phone, which, again, I think is important as a sign of what kind of the general public is doing. Also, TikTok was named in one of the Apple iOS vulnerabilities that let some apps, including TikTok, use anything you would copy and paste it on your phone. And for some people, that could include credit card numbers, social security numbers. I mean, really, really sensitive personal information.
Yeah, as we weigh this, the gives and takes about will ultimately TikTok be banned, it is what is clear ultimately is it is very difficult to predict how this plays out in the near term. We could very well see a ban. We could not see a ban. I'm not one to pick the middle of the road. I like to have a clear view one way or the other. In this case, it is still just too difficult to call. But in the case of TikTok, let's go down the road a little bit that they ultimately do get banned in the U.S. That this is still a company that we think will see the light of day in the U.S. despite any bans, because I think some of the issues that we're talking about will be corrected given the massive amount of wealth creation that this company can build if they get the U.S. right.
Maybe someone else can do it. You know, Snap shares are not up today, but why not say TikTok's banned, American company can go start it and basically do the same thing?
They could. There's a lot around a brand. I think that when you experience that 15-second video is powerful, and so a lot on the internet can be replicated, but that first mover brand is pretty powerful. So yes, ultimately Snapchat and Facebook are going to go aggressively after this type of a product, this experience. They're already testing their versions of it, but you've got this, the way I would best describe it, one user recently described their behavior as addicted to TikTok, and I think that that is a hard thing to break, that brand awareness.